Welcome to PyTech. My name is Eddie Yadav, founder and CEO of PyTech. Today I am going to explain about traffic light project. This project we are going to demonstrate in Proteus software. It means we are going to using a simulation, and for the simulation purpose we are using Proteus software. This is one of the best simulation software, and for the coding purpose we are using a Arduino software. So entire the combination of Proteus and Arduino software will create the traffic light project. So let's get to start the project, and for that we are going to design a circuit first, and for the designing a circuit we are going to use a Proteus software. So you need to double click on the icon of Proteus software. Once you click on that, in a few seconds they will get open. Once the software gets open, we need to create a new project. Okay, so here you find out one option, that is new project. Just click on here. Once you click on it, they will provide you new project wizard window. Over here we will provide the project name, as we are going to create the circuit of traffic light project, so we will give the same name of the project, traffic light. Then click next. The location you can change where you want to save your project. I am using as a default. Then click next. We never want to create a we are going to create a schematic with that, so create a schematic from that. Click next. We do not need a PCB design, so we do not select here the PCB design tick mark. Then click next. Create a firmware. We just want to create a firmware and circuit with that, so we are using the platform, that is Arduino. Just because of reason we are going to create this project on an Arduino platform, and compiler should be AVR compiler. And then click next and finish.
So first of all, we will open the software, and under the software we'll find out the option for pick the component, and in search bar we are searching for LED. First we are searching for Arduino. Okay, so once you press Arduino, once you type Arduino, you'll find out different kind of the elements. So here we are select, that is Arduino Uno R3. You can check it out. The icon will be shown outside the window. Okay, and once then click OK, and then will be arranged Arduino according to its. Then we will select LED. So we are typing in search window LED. Okay, I'm typing this LED. Okay, once I'm typing the LED, we will find out a very different kind of the LEDs here, right? So we have to select the LED, that is LED generic. No, not LED generic. We will select we will select this one, right? So here we are select green LED. So we are selected two green LED, and according that we will select another two LEDs. That is, we'll mark it out two LEDs, yellow first, yellow second. Then we will select the LED red. So we are typing here LED, or you can type the red LED. Okay, once you type, you'll find out the various option of red LEDs. So in the below side, yes, this one the red LED. Okay, and select OK. So we'll select two pieces of that, this LED. Fine. And after that these are the basic need, and after that we will select register, which is by the name of res, right? So once you type in keywords res, you'll find out the registers and we'll select the register. Okay, fine, this one. So we will select total 6 registers for 6 different LEDs. That's for third, that's for fourth, that's for fifth, and that's the last one, 6. So these are all 6 registers. Now we need to change the value of register, and the value of register will be 2k, sorry, will be 220 ohm. So we will click on there, so mark it out 220 ohm and select multiple of them, right? So these are the corrections we need to do. Once we complete these corrections, select the different register for different LEDs. So here we need to put it out of another. Okay, we copy this. So we are copy at a 6 times. Okay, right, fine. So once you select the registers, we need to click on, sorry, we need to select the powers. So under this section we will choose select a ground and connect with LED. Okay, this kind of things you can check it out on my screen. So this kind of the connection we need to do. Once you complete these all basic connections, so the connection is done, right? So now after that we will choosing a connecting points with Arduino for output pins. So we will taking a, that is default terminals, right? That's the label. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and level 6. Once we done that, same thing we will do with, so first we first we provide the name of this label. So here we are providing red 1, and that's sorry. So the bottom side we have a red 1. So we'll provide the red. It means we'll provide the name according to the LEDs. Okay. So red LED will be in the label name will be red, green will be the label name green, and the yellow will be the name yellow. Okay. So here we go. After taking time, few minutes, then okay, then click on it, then yellow 1, sorry, yellow 2, okay, now, and that's the green 1, and that's the green 2, fine, then okay. Now we are provide the label names for LEDs. Now we need to do label connection for Arduino pins, right? So or the we will shift the Arduino in, outside of the, sorry, as per the our designing. Okay, so here's the first, we will turn this, so we'll create, and this kind of the 6 terminals we will select. Okay, so it means the LED will connect with Arduino via these labels. Okay, whenever the naming, we are providing the naming of that. So here we select the LEDs names, okay, according to our requirement, as per our suitability, okay. Make sure over there whenever we have selected this name here, same thing will be providing code, okay. So these things I'm selecting this one, okay. Now I'm marking this one, right? Fine, this one, and all kind of these things we will provide according to that, right? So fine. So this all our final. This is our final connections. So once we done the final connections, we'll save this file and then move to program for Arduino. Okay, first we rearrange this, so it will be looks good. Okay, we arrange as per the our requirement, as per the our space. Okay, so I'm arranging according to my way. You can arrange is according to your requirement. Okay, so I'm select and rearrange this all. So I'm just putting here on in that way. Yes, this one is good. Right. Fine. Okay. So I'm separate the name, so you can see it can visible perfectly to you all. Okay. Right. Just a minute. Okay. Fine. So now for red LED. Okay. So the text will be visible to you properly. Fine. We'll just rotate them as per the first design of LEDs. Right. And we can separate the names to because so you can visible so it can visible properly. Okay. So this is the final design for our circuit, right? So now let's move to, okay, just a minute. So guys, this is a complete design actually. Okay, uh, we can redesign and we can manage as per our requirement. Okay, as per our need, right? Wherever the side where we have a space, we can manage it, right? Now the another things which we are going to do.
We need to write a code. For writing a code, we need to open a Arduino software. So I am already had to write the code, and over here you will find out this code. So from here we need to create a hex file, and we'll upload this hex file in our design. In our design, it means in Proteus software, with the help of the Proteus software, so we can run our project. So for that, you need to compile this code. Firstly, you need to save this, then click on compile. Once the file goes to compile, it's take a few seconds to compile. Before starting compile, please check the preferences and tick mark the compilations option and click OK. So they can create a hex file. It will taking time. Okay, you can check it out. Here is a black window, that is a compilation window. Some of So my code is going to compiling, and the code is going to compiling successfully. Here you find out done compiling. Now the another thing, that is we need to select the hex file. So over here you will find out the extension .hex, and you need to copy the path of this file. So I will copy the path from here to here. Okay, this is the complete path of my hex file. So you need to just click Ctrl C and open your design and double click on Arduino. Under the program file, click Ctrl A and Ctrl V and then OK. And after that, we will run the project.
Once the simulation goes start, the project, the first red LED will be on and another signal green will be on. Once they goes to off, the yellow will be going to on, and according to the simultaneously other signals will be working. So these are the entire working of our project. It will be continuously run. Okay, red, green, yellow as per the signals which is we seen on traffic signals, right? So these are the complete working of this, right?
If you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.